just took the course and I really enjoyed it. Dr. Cohen's a really good guy, and Nancy, who was helping host everything, was totally awesome too. So a great course. I took the AK 100-hour course, and I think one of the big takeaways is you learn so much information that you don't really know how to put it into a protocol or what it looks like practically. And so I'm a new doc, and so building something where I have something to do with the patient like right away, I think was really helpful. So that's how this one was more unique than just learning all the principles from AK and all that kind of stuff. Whereas this just kind of brought you to, okay, what does it look like if you hop into an appointment? How long, does that normally take? And then what you can do right away with somebody, rather than like, here's all these other obscure theories or ideas or things that maybe you're not going to implement. And so you don't feel like you're wasting any time. Everything's streamlined. And he's really great with any questions you have. So yeah, I'm going to start implementing some stuff right away, and I'm pretty excited about it. So thanks.
Hi, I just took the ProActive muscle testing seminar. I really enjoyed my time, and I would totally recommend my friends to do it. I first decided that I wanted to take this seminar because I had worked with Dr. Cohen at sports council events, and it was really cool to see how the wow factor behind his treatment. So he would show a patient what was weak and then adjust it, and it would become strong, and patients just loved it. So I was super excited to take this seminar. Dr. Cohen and Nancy were super helpful, really hands-on. I feel like I learned how to do everything properly, and will be able to apply it in clinic right away tomorrow. Everything was really usable information and easy to understand. It wasn't mixed up with like the jargon of just stuff that we learned in school, and we learned cues and words and phrases that we would be able to talk to our patients about, not just the medical jargon behind it. I also really liked how the muscle testing that we learned is globally applicable and can be used to diagnose other things aside from what we learned today. So I would totally recommend it.
All right, hi, I'm Benjamin Su. I'm a 13th quarter here at Palmer, and so I'm about to graduate in a couple weeks. So this course, ProActive Muscle Testing Seminar, actually helped me because it gave me ideas for a script and how to interact with patients. Both Dr. Cohen and Dr. Chu helped us a lot by showing us how to go through the protocols that they do over here, or different testing procedures, and explained it in details of, okay, this is what you should be asking patients by this time. And I find that really helpful, especially when I myself need to work on communication with patients. All right, and anything different about this course than other ones I've taken? This one, in terms of muscle testing, I feel it's been unique. It's not so much all those outside, too many details courses that you've been there. This is like very honed in and very specific to, okay, you're testing for this, you're testing for that, and this is what you're looking for. And then from there, you just hone in on what you need to focus on for your treatment, and then what else you can do as well. And I would definitely recommend this to all my friends, my fellow classmates, as well as even some graduates who are out there that I feel like they can expedite the process a little bit faster, especially if they're looking to go into the high flow type of practice. All right.
Hi, I'm Jen. I took Dr. Cohen's seminar, and it was awesome. He's the man. I was having back pain for a whole year, and I walked out of there and was able to run and feel amazing.